my kitchen and it's already 10 in the evening and my husband is craving for something sweet, a brownie or some cake. So I found out this Betty Crocker mag treats that we have stored in our cupboard maybe for about a month now. We got it for sale and we got it from Carrefour and I think it's around 7 dirhams for one box. So let's see, it says 1 minute and 30-second microwavable. It says here hot fudge brownie with fudge topping included. Since I'm in a low carb diet, well, I'm trying. It's for my hubby only and for Adyan. So let's try it out. Empty 1 pouch into a microwave, safe mag, and add 3 tablespoons of milk, whatever milk you prefer. And we have to make sure that it is mixed properly and stir well. So, and after we microwave, you can just add the topping on the top. The microwave and now it's done. He can now enjoy it. Yum. Looks yummy. Hi.
Oh wow, what's that?
The one that you request.
Ah, the fudge, yes, exactly. Wow, awesome. You made it yourself or did you got it from outside?
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's the box.
Yeah, this is what I wanted. What did you do?
Nothing, it's from the box, the Betty Crocker.
Oh,
The one that we got.
awesome. Very good. This is amazing. I mean, you should start selling this. Amazing. It's gluey, the chocolate, the fudge. The mixture is amazing.
It's good. Love it?
Yeah, I love it. Look at the chocolate.
Thanks for watching.